Hello relatives, I'm often asked, there is little free money left. What is better? Can I buy crypto or I should put it under the mattress? There is better option, $10 to $20 into $1,000 according to very simple and profitable way that I'm going to show you right now. Well, it's time to start trading. So, here we're opening the currency with a trade pair of US dollar versus the Argentine Peso. The opening currency over here, we've done something like $35 with us and going short, just selling what we have right now with us. Why? For two reasons. Let me explain. First, the SuperTrend is showing an area where the price could bounce off. Could you imagine? And meaning that there is a high level resistance, and that's what's happening here. If we go further, we can see that the chart is confidently going down, completing a correction head for a true breakout. So, and there the ZigZag has put in. Can you imagine? Signaling a breakout for the support level, and there starts a strong downtrend going down. And after the correct focus, I have here increased my capital to at least $67. You agree? That's a significant investment. Moving to the pair OCN and Swiss. Here we've made an investment of at least 67, and I just start right away pressing buy. And the ZigZag here indicates despite the drop, there's a downtrend which is about to start, which is meaning to say that if there's eventually a return in the previous high where the indicator was pointing to, at the same time, the SuperTrend that shows the chart's tendency to break through a high resistance level, and it will eventually meaning say that the ZigZag get put in, the price rocketed upwards, and we will make a profit right away. So over here, the ZigZag get put in, the price is rocketed upwards, and we start to make a profit, increasing now my deposit to at least 129. Now you understand why I love this investment, and I'm guaranteed you will like it too. So over here, the Facebook stock is in front of us, adjusting the investment amount to a certain figure, expecting the price to rise. It's okay, it happens. Pressing the button and move on forward. So after a strong rally, the price went into correction. But the ZigZag now, this is interesting. The ZigZag never reversed, hitting that the price would still go up and aim for an infinite breakdown. So, and here I can see that the SuperTrend also hints that all levels have been broken and there is intense growth. Moreover, here, that's what exactly is happening. The price is rising, returns the ZigZag and continues to climb. Our account balance is growing. Bit by bit, we are moving forward. Why am I smiling? Okay, yes. This is because I had another successful trade. I had correctly chose the right direction to move. Now I've made at least 247 in my account. This is in my account as we are speaking right now. For example, again, a stock, but now this is an American Express stock. Changing the investment amount, okay. Here, there's going short, selling, and I press the button. Okay, so here, there's an interesting situation. The chart just didn't reverse. I can say that it entered a long-term trend with infinite support level breakouts. Can you imagine? We entered at the end of a small correction, and I can guarantee you that the following ZigZag and the SuperTrend is pointing down. Okay? With the situation was just a bit risky, and the micro correction which started by ending just as quickly as we were not expecting. This isn't luck. This is just something which is unforeseen. This is just something which is forecasting. And that's it. The price moved according to the forecast. Moreover, I can see and understand how it acts. I don't wait for weeks, I don't wait for months or for years to invest what I have. Just serious results After the fourth trade, I've already made at least $475 in my account as we are speaking. This is my account balance. Okay, here I'm looking in the OCN Swiss again. We entered with at least 475 investing with a long buying. As we can see, due to high volatility, price sharply dropped down and the zigzag get put in. But remember, this is in the start of a strong trend. I can keep volatility in mind. Over here I can open because this is just the correction, which I can see over here is moving upwards, and hope it will be like this. Moreover, the super trend points to exactly that volatility. With the zigzag pulling inwards. Okay, so now trading Facebook stocks with an investment of at least $913. Over here, I can see the super trend line, it sold upwards, and the zigzag is now long and so powerful, just like a couple of trades ago. We can enter on a correction in a direction of the indicator. Can you just imagine? We can watch it so powerful growing up, and here we're eager to make a profit. So over here, this is another focus which crowned with success. Can you imagine? Because of my anchor in this market with technical analysis and the horoscope with coffee and cup readings. With a trade number 7 here, there is Greenback USD and Argentine Peso. Again, pressing the sell button and I fly. The price over here is so, but I'm sure it is moving down, interrupted by small corrective moves. And I can open and say that the direction of the zigzag and the super trend, they are moving with price, powerfully moving down. And here I can see that it is powerfully moving down, that we don't need to worry about anything. We don't need to worry about imaging any correction. All we need is just to make some profit and move on forward. Okay, so let's do the final trade. For now, it will be good to see what we have done so far. Opening the American Express with a minimum investment, I can just move on forward. I press button up and I go. As we can see here, the price is entering, it has reached a low, and you can see it is entering a correct move that could potentially rise the boundaries of the Sunderland line, confidently jumping in long. There, the zigzag is pulled in and the rally continues, and here we are eager to make profits, just like this. Yes! Wow! We are wrecking it, closing the final trade. It is moving to where I wanted it to move. But the main thing is that I correctly determined the direction of the investment charts, and this brings me a very good profit. Can you imagine? A very good one. Now I've made at least you can't believe it. I've made at least 6,463 in my account. And who remembers what time I started with? That's a question for you. Well, the strategy is impressive, right? Not just a theory. It's a working tool that you can apply right now and make a path out of it. Hugs to everyone. Bye.